Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for clicking on the video. Thank you so much. If you want to see this glossy eyelid and matte lipstick tutorial, please keep watching. Full disclaimer here, guys, I did do my eyebrows and my skin prep off camera, and I'm gonna go in with this product right here. This product is meant to be a all-in-one, so foundation, concealer, eye base, contour, all that. It's meant to be medium to full coverage, and I literally had a drop on my hand and it was enough to cover my whole face and more on the back of my hand. I wanted to show you guys how it covered all the veins on the back of my hand and even tanned it and smoothed it out. The consistency, I would say, is really thick. The only thing that I have to say about it is that right here, patting it on, it is amazing. And when it comes to blending, as you will see when I contour, it is a little bit harder to do so, but it is called mix for a reason. You are supposed to mix them and play with it, mix with other products as well, like oil or even other foundations. If you wanted to darken the foundation up, you can use a drop of that, or if you wanted to make your concealer more coverageable a fuller coverage concealer, then you would put a drop of that. So it is a product meant to be mixed. I just used it because I wanted to see how it standed alone and how it worked. But yeah, just a little bit with the struggle and blending. Besides that, it is an amazing product. It left my skin with a very satin finish, so I like it. I like it a lot. I just wanted to say real quick that I cut out accidentally the part where I set my face. I used Becca Cosmetics cool translucent powder for that, and then I went ahead and blushed right after I set my entire face. This is in the shade Havana Nights from Wander Beauty, and I put it on my cheeks and I kind of follow that contour line on my cheeks, and then I get in my eyes and a little bit on my chin. This highlighter palette right here is the ish because it has one cream highlighter and 3 powders, but right here I'm just using the cream one, and I liked it at first because it came on so strong, but I realized that after blending it a little bit, it actually looks subtle, but it highlights so well. It's very buildable. You can do an extra shimmery, or you can just make it as subtle as possible but still have that natural glow. And now I'm just patting on a base for the brown that I'm going to be using, and for that I just used the Tarte Amazonian clay in medium brown, I believe it was, yeah, medium brown. And I just pat it on, and then I go under my eye, and then we're gonna blend that out later. As you're patting it on, make sure you get above your crease, because when you blend it out, it looks nice and smoky, and it gives a really good brown base for the brown shadow that you're going to be using. So blend that out, and then we're going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera. For the shadow, you can use any dark brown shadow you have, but I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics Cute AF Yes Please palette, and I just packed that on the lid and then blended it out, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. And then you're going to want to take a lighter brown to just blend out the harsh line in your crease a little bit, and make sure you bring that really light brown down the bridge of your nose so it blends in with your contour. Okay, so this time instead of lip gloss, I tried the Glassy Skin Moisturizer from Touch in Soul. And just remember to avoid your crease. Dab it on the lid, dab it above the crease, and a little bit goes a long way. So for the lipstick, I really just mixed the primary red with a burnt orange. And if you guys have any of those two colors lying around, just mix them up and that creates this lipstick color. That completes this whole look. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, like is giving it a thumbs up, but you know what I mean. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye. That's what I used to do in high school. Yeah. Go back in. Go back in.